Alright, okay. Alright, so we want a fire pit from Samba Firelighters. Let's unbox it now. Ooh. This will come in very handy because it's getting cold. We can toast some marshmallows. Alright. What do we got here? Alright, instructions. Looks pretty easy. Hopefully. Alright. Ooh, we got the rust version. There we go. Whew. Bit of weight. Very solid. Oh, look at that. Alright, now let's see what's in this box. Ready? Ooh. Ooh. Some Samba foil seal firelighters with some extra long matches. A fold up flip flame. Oh, look at this. Some Samba hot logs. Ooh. Alright, let's see what's in box number 3. Alright. And the winner is... Ooh, we got some firelighter gel. Original firelighters from Samba. Some fire starters. And some more logs. Alright. Well, that's really good. Another good win by Grab Life by the Gourlays, and hopefully we get to use it tonight and cook some or roast some marshmallows or toast some marshmallows, whatever you want to do with the marshmallows.